Hi, I'm Aimee Barnard, and this is my video journal for EDOL 700 1.2, and this is my philosophical orientation. So when taking the quiz in Resonant Leader, I found out my philosophical orientation was actually the human operating philosophy, and really that is that I surround myself on what I'm doing and how it affects relationships. I have the book next to me. And I find worthiness in that part of too. How is it going to affect other people? What's the impact on the quality of the relationships we have? And so that's really my philosophical orientation. And I found that that fit perfectly with my own vision statement. They actually coincide perfectly because when I looked at my personal vision statement, which I'm actually going to share here on my screen, that I shared at our immersion, this is who I am. I surround myself with what is going to make a difference in my own family, and then also what is making a difference for the students I work with and the people I work with. And that's really what I focus on, because if I can change one child, they change the next person, and 1 + 1 = 3, and you change the world just that easy way. And everything I do has that rippling effect and affects other people and relationships and how they see things. And so when I look at how these two, sorry, when I look at how these coincide together, they coincide perfectly. My philosophical orientation revolves around those relationship piece, and it's my area of strength as well. And so there you go. That's my philosophical orientation for assignment 1.2.